welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most aggressive and powerful supercars of 2025, the Mansory F8 Spider. This beast is based on the Ferrari F8 Spider but takes performance, luxury, and exclusivity to an entirely new level. Buckle up as we break down its stunning design, high-performance specs, and pricing details. Starting with the exterior, the Mansory F8XX Spider is nothing short of breathtaking. Mansory is known for pushing the limits of automotive design, and this model is a prime example. The entire body is covered in forged carbon fiber, giving it a lightweight yet ultra-aggressive appearance. The aerodynamics have been significantly enhanced with a redesigned front bumper, larger air intakes, and a more prominent front split. The hood features additional vents to improve cooling and reduce drag. Moving to the sides, you'll notice wider fenders and new side skirts, further enhancing the car's dynamic stance. At the rear, the massive carbon fiber wing and aggressive diffuser improve downforce, ensuring stability at high speeds. The quad exhaust setup gives it a distinct, powerful sound, making sure it turns heads not just by looks but also by its roar. Inside the interior, Mansory has taken the already luxurious Ferrari F8 Spider cabin and transformed it into something even more exclusive. Almost every surface is wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara, with contrast stitching and carbon fiber accents throughout. The seats are reupholstered for better comfort and a sportier feel, while the steering wheel gets a new carbon fiber design with Mansory's signature touches. The center console remains familiar but features new controls and upgraded materials. Mansory also offers fully customized interior options, allowing owners to personalize everything from color schemes to embroidered logos. Advanced tech features include Ferrari's digital gauge cluster, a high-end infotainment system, and multiple driving modes to suit different road conditions. When it comes to performance, the Mansory F8 Spider doesn't just look fast, it is fast. Under the hood, the 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 has been tuned to produce a staggering 880 horsepower and 960 Nm of torque. That's a significant boost over the stock Ferrari F8 Spider. This upgrade allows the F8XX Spider to sprint from 0 to 100 km/h, 0 to 62 mph, in just 2.6 seconds, with a top speed of 354 km/h, 220 mph. The upgraded ECU, improved turbochargers, and a high-performance exhaust system ensure maximum power output and an exhilarating driving experience. Mansory has also worked on the suspension and braking system, giving the car sharper handling and better stopping power, making it feel even more responsive on both roads and tracks. Now, let's talk about pricing. As expected from a limited edition Mansory creation, the F8 Spider comes at a premium. The standard Ferrari F8 Spider starts at around $325,000, but once Mansory works its magic, the price skyrockets. Depending on customization and exclusive options, the Mansory F8 Spider costs well over $600,000, and in some cases it can reach close to $800,000 for fully personalized versions. With only a handful of units produced, this car is a rare gem meant for collectors and enthusiasts who demand extreme performance and exclusivity. That wraps up our in-depth review of the Mansory F8XX Spider. What do you think about this insane supercar? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic car reviews. See you in the next video.